Life isn't a spectator sport, it's a raw, exhilarating arena. You're called to be a warrior, not a worrier. Are you ready to fight for your dreams? Life demands your strength, your courage, your unwavering spirit. It throws punches, tests your limits, and pushes you to the edge. But that's where greatness is forged. Embrace the challenge. Don't shy away from the fight. Step into the arena with your head held high, ready to face whatever comes your way. This is your life, your journey. Make it extraordinary. Giving up is easy. It's a seductive whisper that promises comfort amidst the storm. But comfort won't lead you to greatness. Failure is a part of life. It's a stepping stone, not a roadblock. We all stumble, we all fall. But it's how we rise that defines us. Don't let setbacks break your spirit. Use them as fuel to ignite your determination. Embrace the lessons they offer, for they hold the keys to your future triumphs. Remember, the only way to fail truly is to give up on yourself. Let me tell you about a young man named Michael. Michael was not just any young man. He was someone with a dream so big that it seemed almost impossible to achieve. From a very young age, he was fascinated by the world of medicine. He would spend hours reading about the human body, diseases, and the miracles of modern science. His eyes would light up every time he saw a doctor on TV or in real life. He knew, deep down, that this was his calling. He dreamed of becoming a doctor, a healer who could make a difference in people's lives. But dreams, as beautiful as they are, often come with their own set of challenges. Life threw him one curveball after another. Each obstacle seemed more insurmountable than the last. There were moments when the weight of his circumstances felt like it would crush him. He grew up in poverty, facing hardships that would make most crumble. His family struggled to make ends meet, and there were days when they didn't know where their next meal would come from. Despite these challenges, Michael's spirit remained unbroken. He failed exams, battled self-doubt, and faced rejection from every medical school he applied to. Each rejection letter felt like a dagger to his heart, but he refused to let it define him. Instead, he used it as fuel to push himself harder. But Michael refused to give up. He knew that the path to success was never easy and that every setback was just a setup for a greater comeback. He picked himself up, dusted himself off, and kept moving forward. He worked night shifts to pay for extra classes. These were grueling hours, often leaving him exhausted, but he knew that this was the price he had to pay for his dreams. He took on any job he could find, from waiting tables to cleaning offices, all while keeping his eyes on the prize. He studied relentlessly, fueled by an unwavering belief in himself and his dream. Late nights turned into early mornings, and his room was often filled with stacks of books and notes. His determination was nothing short of inspiring. After years of struggle, Michael finally received the acceptance letter that changed his life. It was a moment of pure joy, a testament to his hard work and perseverance. He had done it. He had turned his dream into reality. Today, he's not just a doctor but a beacon of hope, a testament to the power of unwavering spirit. Michael's journey is a reminder that no matter how tough the road gets, with determination and hard work, anything is possible. He now dedicates his life to helping others, inspiring the next generation to chase their dreams no matter the odds. Success isn't a lottery ticket. It's not something you stumble upon by chance or luck. It's a journey, a process that demands your full commitment and relentless effort. It's earned through sweat, determination, and an unyielding refusal to quit. Every drop of sweat, every late night, every early morning, they all add up. They are the building blocks of your success. It's about embracing the grind, pushing through pain, and constantly striving for more. The grind is where you find your true self, where you test your limits and discover your strengths. It's in those moments of struggle that you grow the most. There will be times when you want to give up, when the mountain seems too high. The path to success is never easy, and there will be obstacles that seem insurmountable. But these are the moments that define you. But it's in those moments that you must dig deep, tap into your inner reservoir of strength, and keep climbing. It's about finding that extra bit of energy, that extra bit of willpower, to push through the pain and keep moving forward. Remember, the greatest rewards come from overcoming the toughest challenges. The satisfaction of reaching the top, of achieving your goals, is unparalleled. It's a feeling that can't be bought or given. It must be earned. Embrace the journey, for it's in the pursuit of your goals that you'll discover your true potential. The journey is just as important as the destination. It's where you learn, grow, and become the person you were meant to be. The price of achievement is high, but the rewards are immeasurable. The journey may be tough, but the sense of accomplishment, the pride in knowing you gave it your all, is worth every ounce of effort. So keep pushing, keep striving, and never give up. Section 5. From spectator to warrior. Stop watching from the sidelines. Life is not a rehearsal, it's your time to shine. Step onto the field, embrace the unknown, and become the hero of your own story. Break free from the shackles of fear and doubt. They are illusions that hold you back from your true potential. You are capable of greatness, but you must first believe it yourself. Take action. Don't wait for permission or the perfect moment. The time for action is now. Unleash the warrior within and create the life you were destined to live. Section 6. The fleeting whisper of opportunity. Opportunity whispers, it doesn't shout. It's a fleeting moment, a chance encounter, a door that opens for a fraction of a second. Are you ready to seize it? Hesitation is the thief of dreams. While you're pondering, analyzing, and second-guessing, opportunity slips through your fingers like grains of sand. Trust your instincts. When you feel that nudge, that spark of possibility, act on it. Don't let fear paralyze you. Remember, the greatest regret is not from our failures, but from the chances we didn't take. Section 7. The mirror of self-reflection. Look in the mirror. What do you see? Is it just a reflection, or is it a window into your soul? The mirror doesn't lie. It shows you who you are, but more importantly, who you can become. Do you see a champion, a warrior, a force to be reckoned with, someone who is ready to take on the world no matter the challenges that lie ahead? The mirror can be a powerful tool, reflecting not just your physical appearance but your inner strength and potential. Or do you see someone who's settled for mediocrity, someone who has let their dreams fade into the background, overshadowed by doubt and fear? The mirror can also reveal the harsh truths we often avoid, showing us the areas where we need to grow and improve. The power to change your circumstances lies within you. It's not about what the mirror shows, but how you choose to interpret it. Will you see it as a reminder of your limitations or as a call to action to break through them? It's time to take ownership of your life, your choices, your future. The mirror is just the beginning. What you do after you look into it is what truly matters. Write down your goals, make a plan, and take the first step towards achieving them. Ask yourself, am I truly living the life I desire? Am I making the most of my talents and opportunities? The mirror can help you confront these questions, but the answers lie within you. Be honest with yourself, and don't be afraid to make the changes necessary to align your life with your true desires. If the answer is no, then it's time to make a change. Don't wait for the perfect moment, it may never come. Start now with what you have, and take small steps every day towards your goals. Each step will bring you closer to the life you envision. No more excuses, no more delays. The mirror has shown you what you need to see. Now, it's up to you to act on it. Break through the barriers that have been holding you back, and move forward with confidence and determination. You have the power to create the life you've always dreamed of. It won't be easy, and there will be obstacles along the way, but with perseverance and a clear vision, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. But it starts with a decision, a commitment to yourself and your potential. Look in the mirror, see the person you want to become, and make a promise to yourself to never give up. Your future is in your hands, and it begins with the reflection staring back at you. Section 8. Unleash your inner champion. The champion within you is waiting to be unleashed. It yearns for challenge, craves growth, and thrives on adversity. Don't keep it locked away. Embrace the struggle, the setbacks, the doubts. They are all part of the journey. Rise above them, learn from them, and let them fuel your fire. The time for action is now. Seize the moment, break free from your comfort zone, and unleash the unstoppable force that resides within you. The world is waiting to witness your greatness. Go out there and claim your victory.